Thank you, Mr. Farooq Saab, Director, Provincial Disaster Management Authority, Punjab, for joining us today. To start off, can you tell us a little bit about the partnership between the World Bank and Government of Punjab for strengthening disaster risk management capacities in your province?
Well, the World Bank has been supporting Government of the Punjab through the Disaster and Climate Resilience Improvement Project. We have established state-of-the-art EOCs at provincial and district level. The EOCs are equipped with satellite communication links, MHVRA dashboards, media connectivity, and GIS capabilities.
So, Mr. Farooq, it looks like that you have a very good setup now in place in terms of Emergency Operations Center itself. But given this is a relatively new capability for your organization, what do you see as the key challenges for effectively operationalizing these EOCs in the future?
Yes, no doubt, technology and infrastructure are in place, but we do need to strengthen the process of management and operation of the EOCs to maximize their impact.
So, Mr. Farooq, I think the point you've highlighted is actually very true and one of the key messages that has flown out from our discussions here at the EOC workshop. How do you feel the workshop itself, in terms of your experience and participation in these 2-3 days, how it has helped you and especially helped you in going back and operationalizing your EOC?
Well, it has been a great experience to join this workshop. Through our interaction with the participants from other countries, we familiarize ourselves with the world's best practices, and all the participants shared their experiences in their own countries and states, through which we got familiar with different experiences.